Good day, everybody. I am Tessa Raimundo of Bisco Distribution Incorporated, Vice President for Sales. We are the exclusive distributor of iIcon in the Philippines. For me personally, iIcon is a solution-driven company that focuses on providing reliable and cost-efficient alternative consumables to our partners and end users without compromising quality or brand integrity. What truly inspired me to join the company is because of my boss, Christian Lucas. He is actually one of my managed partners when I was working in Fuji Xerox Philippines. Because of his strong vision to challenge traditional norms, support partners' profitability, and genuinely understand the needs of the channel. Probably because he has been in the MPS business for over 2 decades. Having spent many years in the OEM industry, I saw a strong opportunity to leverage my expertise in original consumables and strategically package them with alternative solutions to create greater value and foster long-term partnerships. Well, I remember when I was in the original industry, I am one of the biggest critics of don't use alternative consumables or compatible because it will damage your printer. Now, I find myself ironic because I am the one advocating the message of using the alternative or compatible consumables can help you save more, print more. And most importantly, it doesn't damage your printer. iIcon fosters an environment of trust, flexibility, and empowerment. I am thankful that through iIcon I have experienced both worlds, the original and the compatible, which helps me understand better our channels and our customers. This growth would not be possible without the professional guidance and support of Simon and Ako, for which I am truly grateful. My biggest takeaway is that success is built on collaboration and shared values. One dream, one team, one goal, and that's what makes it feel like a family. Yes, I would highly recommend iIcon, not because I have to, but because I personally experienced it firsthand. Again, from iIcon Philippines, wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, our dear iIcon family. Mabuhay!